Hi, my name is Magali Mutombo. I'm a wife, a mom of 3 boys, and I love food. So when I started my channel, I wanted my channel to have simple, quick recipe but look elegant. So as you can see on my channel or my Instagram, you see I like to pay a lot of attention on the aesthetic of the food because I believe that you first start eating with your eyes. I'm originally from the Congo. I had to travel a lot to Europe and America because of my husband's career. Along the way, I've learned different techniques that I would like to share with my viewers. So I always cook. As a young African girl, you learn to cook very, very young. But what really sparked was when I got married and I moved to Italy, and I realized that my repertoire was only limited to African food. And that's when I taught myself that I should be able to eat local food, and I learned to appreciate local food and to incorporate that. So now I'll do a little bit of fusion of all those different type of cooking because my palate got accustomed to different type of food. I would like my viewers to learn how to make different type of food, whether it's a cake, whether it's caramel, whether it's African food, fufu, whether it's tabbouleh or any type of pasta. I would want them to widen their repertoire of cooking and really to show that it shouldn't be a daunting task to cook. There you have it. Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to check me out on Instagram or Facebook. Or you can also go to my website www.cookingwithmagali.com where you have the full recipes with all the details, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you. Bye bye.